I've got a real quick video to share with you today, and then I have another video planned that'll be coming out at the end of this week. But for now I wanted to show you these beautiful little mini note cards that I've been working on today. They do have some floral patterns, and then there's polka dots and stripes and just some beautiful dark red burgundy cards that I wanted to share with you. First, let me show you some of these patterns. They're so pretty. A lot of florals. And then we've got some of these others. They're not florals, but they're kind of a vintagey looking pattern, some with wording on it. Kind of a sweater look. But this whole set just came together so pretty. And that's my favorite, I think. Little birds and another little textured paper there. Let me show you really quick. I know if you've watched a lot of my other videos, you see how I make mini note cards. But let me zoom out just a little bit and I'll show you real quick. And then I'll show you the paper that I made these from. So I just cut down a lot of paper here to be a 3" by 6". And then all I do is take one and fold it over. These mini note cards that I make and show quite a bit on this channel. I sell a lot of these. They're probably my best sellers in my Etsy shop. So that's why I end up videoing a lot of these, because that's what I'm always working on. So I've just got an Elmer stick glue, and I've trimmed down all the papers from this particular paper pack to be just a little less than 3 by 3. Since these, when I fold them over, are 3" by 3". I just go just a little less than that. And then I just put some glue on the back. I like to put it all over to make sure it's going to adhere well. And then I just center it up on that card, and that is how quick these come together. I will be listing these in my Etsy shop, like I said. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, you can go over and check that out. I'll have my link in the description box. And also, let me show you this paper pack that I got this from. It's called Vintage Red, and these are just 12 by 12 sheets, and they're all double-sided. Sorry about the glare there. I will do a quick flip through here before I close out if that's interesting to you. If not, we'll just catch you in the next one. So we've got some pretty floral roses. This one's more on vines. Oh, very lovely. Kind of a rose garden-y look to this one. That one's just got kind of a texture look to it. Some dainty white flowers on that one. Some pretty birds. And kind of a Victorian pinkish ones on these. Oh, how lovely is that? Kind of looks like little pearl lines coming down in between. Once again, kind of a viney, but more of a tiny pattern to that. And this one might be my favorite. I love the little check pattern on that one. Some dainty florals on that one. And then here we have again almost some vine tree-like floral pattern to that one. So let's flip it over and see the backs of these. We've got stripes and kind of a written word. These are almost like a damask pattern. Some polka dots. More of that same kind of damask pattern, but on a lighter color. We've got a plaid. More polka dots. Kind of like a sweater look to that one. Oh, and that one's lovely. More polka dots. We've got some diamonds, and then more of that damask pattern. So those are going to be some lovely patterns for me to work with. Thanks everybody for joining me today. Bye-bye.